news which is coming in. Day 3 of operations are currently on, and a special team of Jammu and Kashmir Police conducted raids at the district jail in Pulwama. In fact, the searches focused on cells of inmates linked to terror outfits and overground workers as authorities continue their crackdown on criminal activities inside the jail. In fact, location is that of Ganderbal, where police have raided the houses of the slain terrorists in the district. Even as we speak, the operations are on. Hence, the operational details are not going to be revealed here on Times Now. What we can tell you, however, that searches have been conducted. That's the big story that we are getting from you about the mega raids which are currently underway in Jammu and Kashmir. We've seen the arrest of 2 doctors as well in Jammu and Kashmir. This is part of the larger terror plot which has been foiled by the forces. In fact, I believe Ankit is joining us live from Jammu. Ankit, can you tell us a bit about the plot? We know that the searches are on. The operations are currently ongoing. How wide does this net of terror really spread?
From last 2 days, we have seen how a massive terror ecosystem has been struck by the Jammu and Kashmir police in the Kashmir as well as in the Jammu region. In the Ganderbal and as well as in the Pulwama, we have seen a massive a massive cordon search operation is going on in those areas where the relatives or the OGWs or the sympathizers of the terrorists are to be living. These raids are to be conducted just to see what is the current situation and to prevent from the and to see what is the current situation. From last 2 days, we have seen how this massive raid has been conducted in entire Jammu and Kashmir.
Well, we can see the extent of these raids which are carrying on. Of course, we cannot reveal any of the operational details of what's happening right now. However, Ankit, you must tell us, are the operations still on? Do we have any idea till when this will continue and since when it has been happening?
All the raids are being still underway, whether it is a Ganderbal district, Pulwama district, or in the Jammu region, whether it is a Ramban district. The raids are underway. What we are learning from our sources is that these raids are on the terror ecosystem by the Jammu and Kashmir police to make ensure that no anti-national or unlawful activity are being implemented in this area.
Well, keep tracking the developments, Ankit. There is going to be zero tolerance when it comes to terror. Massive raids, search and cordon operations are being carried out. Ankit getting us minute-by-minute updates. We'll keep coming back to you, Ankit, for more updates on that. But let's tell you how it's